Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm here to share with you our top Snowflake multi-tools collection. Just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, the Amenitee was originally designed to be a snowboarding multi-tool, but while carrying the prototypes around on our keychains, in our pockets, and attached to our backpacks, we found that it is useful for so much more than just tightening bindings while on the slopes, by Amenitee. Number 2, 15 tools including Phillips, flathead, hex, box cutter, bottle opener, etc., by HexFlex. Number 3, by Vintar. For more great Christmas gift ideas and deals, click this circle. Number 4, 18-in-1 multi-purpose, versatile, suitable for home tools and outdoor activities, by Puremood. Number 5, 18-in-1 stainless multi-tool screwdriver keychain. Snowflake multi-tool card combination, bottle opener incredible tool, by Verna. Number 6, by Prettyui. Get these great online offers now. Click this link below for real-time deals and updates. Number 7, by Amanely. Number 8, by Prettyui. For more info click this link below. Number 9, by Unknown. Number 10, by Warm Sheep.